Today my team is going to present a project prototype on license plate detection using Python and OpenCV. My team consists of Nikhil, Abhishek and Raj. They will be continuing my presentation.
Good evening everyone. We chose the project license plate detection methods using Python and OpenCV in the domain exploring technologies for real-world applications using AI. Here, license plate detection methods is one of the most important technology used for traffic management, toll collection, and parking systems, etc. Here, Python provides a versatile platform for integrating machine learning as well as image processing, etc. Here, the main agendas we use in this project are introduction to license plate detection, and it requires some of the software and hardware requirements. And here, we provide the implementation process, some of the case studies and its applications, and the challenges we face during this project, and future directions, and we conclude with the summary. Coming to this project, critical technology, where it plays a main role in traffic management, and computer vision techniques. We try to use advanced computer vision techniques, which helps us to update the project. And automated license plate recognition. Here, it captures the image, processes the data, and recognizes the number plate and gives us the output. And coming to this, nowadays, the population is increasing as well as due to heightened security and traffic monitoring needs, this project will give the recorded data, etc. And coming to the software requirements, here we use Python, which is the programming language perfect for AI, and we use OpenCV, open source computer vision, provides powerful tools for image recognition and object detection. And NumPy, it deals with the numerical operations and handles data handling in Python. And Easy OCR, it is optical character recognition. It extracts the text from the image, and additional libraries if they are required. Next, hardware requirements.
For this particular project, we need the hardware requirements like camera for detecting the number plates, and computer model, and one rear vehicle like car.
Coming to the part of the implementation, first it captures the images captures the images of the images and converted into the grayscale, which is like black and white, and next it will be detect only the rectangle shape objects in the image where the vehicle plates in the shape of the rectangle, and it extract the text which are present in the number plate which are using the Easy OSR, and it evaluates the performance and perform the operations